In the past few years, there's been a lot of WordPress membership plugins to come around, and there were very mixed results on which were the better ones. Here we are now in 2020, and it looks like there's a clear number one as to what is the best membership plugin today. Let me tell you in a second.
Zoom, just one look, and then my heart went boom. Suddenly, and we were on the moon.
To find out what the best WordPress membership plugin is, let's Google it and check the results for ourselves in real time. Let us search the following term: what is the best WordPress membership plugin? And basically after the sponsored or paid results, we get some of the top blogs, websites that Google considers authorities in the space. And they list the top 5 or top 10 best plugins. Alright, time to check out who they are. Okay, after the sponsored or paid ads, we're now down to the real results. And I've clicked this, and this. So here are the results. WP Beginner. This is one of the really early bloggers for WordPress since the very beginning. Their top 5 in 2020 is MemberPress, LearnDash, Teachable, Restrict Content Pro, S2 Member. Okay, next. Okay, MemberPress, A-Member Pro, LearnDash, Teachable, S2 Member. Then WooCommerce, Restrict, Paid Membership Pro. Okay, slightly different. And the third result, Make a Website Hub.com, Best WordPress Membership Plugins for 2020. Again, MemberPress comes out number 1. Number 2, Paid Member Subscriptions. Restrict Content Pro 3, Paid Membership Pro 4, 5, MemberMouse, 6, A-Member Pro. And the fourth result, we have MemberPress number 1 again, all-in-one membership plugin. Number 2, LearnDash, Paid Member Subscriptions, Teachable, Restrict Content Pro, WooCommerce, A-Member Pro. So the fifth result, this is WP Cube MemberPress. That's the 5th time it's come up number 1. Okay. Restrict Content Pro, Paid Membership Pro, MemberMouse, WooCommerce. And the 6th result is from Colorlib, and MemberPress comes out on top. They don't list it numerically, but MemberPress is on the top. On the 2nd spot, WooCommerce, Restrict Content Pro, Profile Grid, haven't heard of them yet, MemberMouse, WP Members. Okay, at this point we've pretty much established that MemberPress is the number 1 WordPress membership plugin. And we've also established that membership sites are really important for people who want to create an online business, especially for experts in certain fields and niches, people who want to be influencers, people who have an audience, people who create music, people who are graphic artists. Pretty much any skill somebody has, there'd be a good case to have a membership site for. So they could start earning, showcasing their skills, their knowledge, their ability to entertain, their ability to capture people's attention, their ability to educate and inform. It's just as broad as the rainbow spectrum. I mean, you can use a membership site for all kinds of categories of work, career, and education and all that. So now what's left to do is go to the MemberPress website, buy it, and install it. But before we start, allow me to offer you free access to my exclusive or premium content, which goes into more in-depth training and examples on how professionals use the service. If you haven't purchased yet, then simply use my link right before you buy. It won't cost you an extra cent. And if I do get the referral credit for your purchase, I'll be so appreciative to know that you support my efforts, and I'll be more than happy to give you access to my exclusive content, courses, assets pertaining to this software or service. Thank you.